Hello my dear students, my name is Hanmant Ladwa. Welcome to Vision Academy. In this video we are going to solve Karnataka State SSLC exercise 8.4 or CBSE class 10 exercise 1.4. Question number 2. Write down the decimal expansions of those rational numbers in question 1 above which have terminating decimal expansions. So in this particular question we have studied in the last video some of the expansions, that is decimal expansions, which were terminating. I have taken the first, second, fourth, sixth, eighth and ninth. So all these six were terminating. So let us convert this one into decimal fraction. So divide 13 by 3125. So let us write 3125 and divide 13 by this number. Here we'll take 0 point. As soon as we take 0 point, 1 0 will be added. So here 130 is less than 3125. So let us take one more 0 and add one more 0 here. Even though it is less than 3125, take one more 0. Now it will become 13,000. So 13,000 is greater than 3125. Now 3125 forza will write. Here it is 12,500 and let us subtract. Here we are going to get 0 0 and take carry. 10 minus 5 is 5. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 500 is less than 3125. So let us take one more 0. So now it will become 5,000. So here 3125 ones 3125. Now let us subtract. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So let us take carry. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now let us take carry. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now 5 minus 4 gives us 1. So here it is 1875. So which is less than 3125. So let us take one more 0 here. Now 3125 6 we are going to get 18,750. So here the remainder will become 0. So this is the decimal fraction that we need to write. So here 13 divided by 3125 is equal to 0.00416. Now let us move on to Roman number 2, that is 17 by 8. Let us divide 17 by 8. So here we will write 8 2s 16. So here we'll get 1. So that is 1 and let us take point. So here we are going to get 10. So now it is 8 ones 8. So we'll remain with 2 here. Again take one more 0. It will become 20. So 8 2s 16. So we remain with 4. Now take one more 0. It will become 40. 8 how much are 40? Here 8 5s are 40. Remainder is 0. Now we can write 17 divided by 8 is equal to 2.125. Now let us move on to Roman number 4. 15 divided by 1600. So let us divide 15 by 1600. So here we can write let us take 0 point. So 1 0 will come which is less than 1600. Take one more 0. Now it will become 1500 even though it is less. So let us take one more 0. So it will become 15,000. So I don't have space here. I'm going to write down here the quotient. So 1600 nines we are going to get 14,400. Here let us subtract 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 0 0. So let us take 10 minus 4 is 6 and 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here we got 600 which is less than 1600. Let us take one more 0. It will become 6,000. Now 1600 how much are 6,000 or less than that? Here 1600 3s are, we can write 4800. Let us subtract this 0 0. Next it will become 2 and 6 minus 5 is 1. Now it is 1200. Here 1200 is less than 1600, so let us take one more 0. Now it will become 12,000. Here 1600 sevens are 11,200. Let us subtract. Here we are going to put 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Let us take carry, it will become 10 minus 2 is 8. 800. So 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now it is 800. So let us take one more 0. So 16 5s are, we'll write here 16 5s are 8,000. So here 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 8 minus 8 is 0. Here the remainder is 0. Now we'll get 15 divided by 1600 is equal to 0.009375. Now let us move on to Roman number 6, that is 23 divided by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. Here this one can be written as 23 divided by 2 to the power 3 is 8 into 5 5s are 25, that is 5 to the power 2 is 25. Let us simplify this one. So 23 divided by 25 8s are 200. Now let us divide 23 by 200. Here we will write 200 and divide this 23. Here let us take 0 point in order to take 0, because 23 is less than 200, hence it cannot be divided by 200. So that's the reason we have to take 0 point, then here 1 0 will be added. Now 230 is greater than 200. Now we can easily divide this 230 by 200. So 200 how much are 200, or 200 how much are 230 or less than that. So here 200 ones are 200. So here 0, 3 minus 0 is 3, 2 minus 2 is 0. We got 30. So let us, 30 is less than 200. Let us take one more 0. 300 is greater than 200. So it is easy for us to divide 300 by 200. So now let us divide once again 300 by 200 ones are. So here it will become again 200. Now we remain with 100, because 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 3 minus 2 is 1. Now let us take one more 0. Now it will become 1000, because 100 is less than 200. So let us take one more 0. Now it will become 1000. So 1000 is greater than 200. It is easy for us to divide. So 200 how much are 1000 or less than that. Here 200 5s are 1000. So here 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1 is also 0. Remainder is 0. So we got here 0.115. So 23 divided by 200 is equal to 0.115. Now let us move on to Roman number 8. Now we need to divide this 6 by 15. Here we'll take 0 point. If I take 0 point, it will become 60, because 6 is less than 50. We have to write one more 0. So 60 is greater than 15. So 15 how much are 60. So here 15 4s are 60. So here 0 minus 0 is 0, 6 minus 6 is 0. So here remainder is 0. Now we are going to terminate at 0.4. So here 6 divided by 15 is equal to 0.4. Now let us move on to the ninth one, 35 divided by 50. Divide this 35 by 50. So let us take here 0 point, because 35 is less than 50. We'll take 0 point in order to add 0 here. So 350 is greater than 50. Now it is easily divided by 50. So 50 how much are 350. So here 50 sevens are 350. Here 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. Here remainder is 0. We got 0.7. Here we can write 35 by 50 is equal to 0.7. Hello my dear students, thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Hanmant Ladwa. If you want to watch the next video, you can click on this icon, and if you want to watch the previous video, then you can click on this icon. If you want to get the latest updated videos, then you can click on this button to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.